In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to switch to or enable light mode on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select personalization on the left panel. And then on the right side, scroll down and expand colors. And then the top option, this is choose your mode. Click the drop down and select light. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.